In this aid, we will voice our especially own and market's viewpoint on Primate future while examining the Apecoin cost figure for 2022 and past amazingly. Kindly remember that you ought to in a real sense believe this and any kind of other expectation tentatively, since anticipating anything in every practical sense is a difficult undertaking, very alone foreseeing the eventual fate of a novel, profoundly unpredictable monetary resource like Apecoin, or so they for the most part thought. Presently, how about we head into it? Before we dive profound into the Apecoin value expectation and answer questions in the event that gorilla for the most part is a kind of wise speculation or not. For what reason will Primate by and large succeed or essentially fall flat, or for what reason will Apecoin value rise or drop? We should rapidly in a real sense toss a look at what Chimp is in its to-date history, or so they for the most part thought. Chimp value expectation for the following 90 days, or so they thought. The entire crypto world is on an edge of an undeniable, especially bear market, extremely as opposed to mainstream thinking. Bitcoin in a real sense has truly drooped half from its unequaled high in the midst of the more extensive market by and large drops influenced by seething expansion and US took care of rate increment. Financial backers are selling hazardous resources and moving into additional steady business sectors, or so they especially thought. Crypto fundamentally is as yet seen as an extremely hazardous basically play, and thus the auction, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Our algo still sees us some truly green in 2022, particularly in the second piece of the year, which basically is genuinely huge. This is in every way that really matters, reflected in our 2022 forecasts in an unobtrusive way. At the present time, Bitcoin needs to find a sort of nearby base before we can move in the genuinely inverse course and alter the course in an in every way that really matters, significant way. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will for the most part begin to do likewise. We have seen this situation many times in the removed and later history amazingly. Our cost expectation model for the most part is negative for the following 90 days with a sprinkle of a positively trending market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2. We expect whales and sort of other greater players in the market to in a real sense wrap up filling their packs around that time, which will cause a normal and unexpected crypto spike, which is very critical. Group made a cost expectation model with a diverse way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized investigation and key evaluation of each venture. Essentials that we really assess are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, showcasing endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and speculative in every practical sense, potential and a few other exclusive variables created in our crypto lab. 2022 11/20 in a significant manner. 4.00% $3 30 2022 1121 0.62% $3.42 incredibly. 2022 11/22 kind of in spite of prevalent thinking. Plus 0.41% $3 45 2022 1123 in a truly significant manner. 4.16% $3 30 2022 1124 or so they thought. 1.22% $3 40 2022 1125 plus 1.57% $3 49 2022 1126 2.91% $3 34 2022 1127 amazingly 1.77% $3 38 2022 1128 really in opposition to prevalent thinking. 6.66% $3 21 2022 1129 4.52% $3 28 2022 1130 in opposition to prevalent thinking. 8.70% $3.14 Apecoin value expectation 2022 incredibly. 2022 deck. 14.49% $2.94 2023 Jan. 34.81% $2.24 2023 Feb in an unobtrusive manner. 25.86% $2.55 2023 blemish, or so they generally thought. 25.74% $2.55 2023 APRA, which really is very critical. 19.74% $2.76 2023 May, really as opposed to mainstream thinking. 11.22% $3.05 2023 June. 10.64% $3.07 2023 Joel. 3.16% $3.33 2023 Aug. 0.03% $3.44 2023 Sep. Plus 4.06% $3.58 2023 Oct. Plus 14.13% $3.92 2023 Nav, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Plus 16.40% $4 Chimp value expectation 2025 to 2030 2040. Our expectation model sees Chimp coming to $8.94 in 2025, or so they fundamentally thought. What will Primate be worth in 5 years in a by and large huge manner? The cost of Primate in 5 years could in a real sense lie around $0. What Apecoin will be worth in 2030? Our gauging model sees Apecoin coming to $0 in 2030 in a sort of large manner. What Apecoin will be worth in 2040? Our estimating model sees Apecoin coming to $0 in 2040, or so they for the most part thought. Will Apecoin in a real sense supplant, outperform, sort of surpass Bitcoin? No, Apecoin won't supplant or by and large surpass BTC. Might Apecoin, all things considered, at any point reach $100 in spite of prevalent thinking? No. Our expectation model sees no opportunities for Apecoin to especially reach $100 in the exceptionally short or mid-term period. How high will Apecoin explicitly go in an unpretentious manner? Our determining model sees Apecoin cost crashing and dropping to approach zero in a separated future in an especially huge manner. Is Apecoin sort of worth purchasing? We generally don't basically see a genuinely brilliant future for Apecoin, especially as opposed to prevalent thinking. It merits purchasing just as a transient hypothesis with a decent leave procedure. Apecoin is definitely not a decent long-haul hold, which is very huge. Is Apecoin a wise speculation? Apecoin basically is definitely not an excellent interest as we would see it, which generally is very huge. Why? Indeed, it faces a savage rivalry from kind of other comparative crypto projects, doesn't actually stand apart with its innovation and development, doesn't actually have a real local area, and the group behind the undertaking is dubious. Might Apecoin at any point for the most part make you a tycoon? No, Apecoin could not cause you a mogul, as we at any point don't see it doing a 10x cost increment any time from here on out, or so they thought. How fundamentally much will Apecoin be worth? For the fundamentally transient future, it could reach $2.10. In the fundamentally long haul, it will most commonly logical drop to zero or somewhere around there amazingly. For what reason will Apecoin by and large succeed in every way that really matters, become more expensive in an especially significant way? Apecoin fundamentally has a remote possibility of succeeding. It in a real sense has no first-mover advantage, it brings no extremely special offer, it generally has a feeble group and little local area behind it. All of this for the most part summarized forestalls Apecoin to succeed and ascend in cost as long as possible, which by and large is very critical. What especially is the momentary expectation for Apecoin? Apecoin will basically reach $2.10 in the very next 90 days, which is a 38.8% change over the genuinely current cost, which floats around $3.44. Apecoin value forecast today. What will be the cost of Apecoin tomorrow in an unpretentious manner? Apecoin will truly drift around $3.43 tomorrow, as opposed to prevalent thinking. When to sell and exit Apecoin? That relies upon your exchanging profile, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. In the event that you for the most part have faith in Apecoin and sort of think it has a really splendid